Are you struggling to get consistent traffic to your affiliate links? If that's the case, this video is for you. I'm about to reveal the secret online formula to get massive amount of traffic and turn that into an avalanche of clicks to produce daily commissions for you. See, gathering traffic for affiliate marketing can definitely be difficult when you don't have a proven game plan. To get floods of clicks to your affiliate links, you'll need a well thought out strategy because more traffic equals more leads, which means more sales and money into your bank account. Now, you can't just randomly throw something against the wall hoping it sticks, at least not in the long term if you want a consistent, stable income. That's why in this video, I'm about to share many different ways you can get traffic to your affiliate links to help you generate sales, even if you're brand new or you don't have any experience or any following online. So make sure you stick to the very end of the video because I'm gonna cover many different strategies you can choose to start to get tons of traffic today. Now, before I dive into the very first strategy, if you want me to send you my totally free cheat sheet revealing my top 7 social media posts, you can literally copy and paste to start to get instant traffic. Be sure to click the first link directly below. Now, the very first strategy is producing content. Understand this, nowadays content is king, and producing quality content is a total game changer. Now, content can come in the form of many different types. It can be videos, it can be blog posts, it can be social media posts. You wanna make sure when you do post that it's engaging, but it's also informative, okay? When you post online, you wanna make sure that it's valuable and it's offering information around the niche that the product you're promoting is in. See, when you start to provide value and you post that, your target market, your ideal customers will start to find those posts. And again, if they're valuable, they will start to engage, they will start to follow you. And this is where the real magic starts to happen because over time, they will come back to your content. And then if you continually give pitches to go to your affiliate links, over time, you will convert at a much higher rate. Now, the second thing is audience retention. Now, this is crucial, especially if you're posting TikTok videos or videos on YouTube, for example. You have to understand from the audience's perspective and also from the different platforms' perspectives online. The longer you can get someone to consume your content, especially in a video, the more that platform is gonna boost that post and the more traffic you're gonna get. Now, you definitely wanna choose relevant services and products to promote because you don't wanna kill the trust that you're starting to build. This is a big problem a lot of people have. They start to get some traction, they start to get some posts that maybe are going a little bit viral, but they promote something scammy or they promote something not great, and then they kill that trust. So while you're building your content, while you're posting, you wanna also make sure you're always recommending things that are very valuable and that you believe in. Now, the next strategy, what really ties into content, is the social media explosion strategy. Now, in this competitive age, you can't neglect social media at any cost. Social platforms are the breeding grounds for massive traffic. You have to be where your audience hangs out. Understand that traffic is just eyeballs, it's just people. And where are people online nowadays, right? It's social media, it's TikTok, it's YouTube, it's Facebook, it's platforms like this. And once you start to tap into the power of social media, you can really get endless traffic for years to come. Now, what you wanna do is you wanna make, like I said, engaging posts, and you wanna post that on your social media, and you wanna give calls to action. You wanna tell people, especially if it's something like Facebook or if it's an Instagram story, you wanna tell them to either respond to that post for more information, or in some cases, you can directly put the link inside of the post and get traffic that way. Now, obviously, in the beginning, you may not have a lot of people following you, but as you stay consistent, your following will start to grow, and then the amount of people that go to your link will exponentially increase. Now, if you're someone interested in making videos like TikTok videos or YouTube videos, product comparison videos are incredibly powerful. This is where you take two similar products and you basically give the pros and cons and you compare them, right? You choose the one that you actually enjoy, the one that you like the best, the one that maybe you have the affiliate link for, and then you compare it against a competitor that maybe isn't as good. And then you can go ahead and give the information of each of the products, and then towards the end of that video, you can go ahead and recommend people your main product, and include the affiliate link underneath the video, and this will get massive amount of traffic. Another type of video you can do is a product review video. I've actually done a lot of these. I've made thousands of dollars and gotten massive amount of traffic because I will take a product that I'm actually promoting and I will do a review video. I will give, again, the pros, but also a few cons, because you want to be believable and you want to actually share, your honest opinion. And then towards the end of the video, again, you can include your link below and tell people to go there to get access to it. Now, the great thing about these type of videos is once you post them, they're up there forever. And as people continually discover this product, they're gonna want to find reviews and opinions of people that have either purchased the product or have gone through the product. So when they actually see your review, they're gonna find out much more information, you're gonna build trust, and again, you can make sales that way. Okay, the next strategy to get massive amount of traffic I wanna share with you is using SEO, which is search engine optimization. Now, what this is your ticket for free organic traffic, right? So what this is where you basically produce a piece of content. It could be a blog post, it could be a YouTube video, and you want to optimize that piece of content for specific keywords that your target market is searching for. Now, I actually built my affiliate marketing business solely on SEO when I first started. I would rank specific videos on YouTube for keywords that my target market would be searching for, and then I would give value in my videos, and then at the end of the video I would tell them to go to the link below for more information. And so I would get all these people discovering my videos over time, and I would start to make tons of sales very passively. Now, more than 50% of traffic online comes through SEO. SEO helps your content rank high on search engines, so you'll get a continuous stream of clicks to your affiliate links, and it won't cost you a dime. Writing blog posts, creating simple YouTube videos is completely free, and the long-term rewards are absolutely incredible. To this day, I still generate leads and sales from videos that I ranked years ago. Now, the next strategy is actually a paid marketing strategy. This is where you can pay money to actually start to get clicks to whatever affiliate link you want to promote. And the one I want to touch on is called solo ads. Now, solo ads are incredibly simple. There's very few moving pieces, which is why I want to touch on it inside of this video. Now, what a solo ad is basically where you find someone online that has built an email list of email addresses of your potential target market. And what you can do is you can pay a fee to that person, and they will actually send out an email to their email list, which includes whatever affiliate link or website link you want to include. Now, this is amazing because a lot of times the solo ad vendor, the person that will actually sell you that solo ad, will even write the email for you. So all you have to do is click a button to purchase a certain amount of clicks, and then you can actually give them whatever link you want to promote, sit back and start to get targeted traffic. Now, I actually have a full video where I walked through how to actually generate traffic using solo ads. I'll include a card on the top of this video. So if you want to go deeper into that strategy, you can at the end of this video. Now, the next strategy to get massive amount of traffic is using email marketing. Now, building an email list is like having your own private gold mine. It allows you to reach out directly to your audience, nurturing them over time. Now, email marketing can really help affiliate marketers promote products or services more effectively and generate higher commissions. Understand that people often need multiple exposures to a product or offer before making a purchase. Email marketing allows you to consistently expose your subscribers to affiliate products through a series of well-timed emails. In this way, you have much more chances of conversions over time. Now, you can send out valuable content, exclusive offers, and even personalized recommendations through your email campaign. And when done right, your subscribers will eagerly click on those affiliate links, and that's where the magic happens. Now, the cool thing about email marketing is once you build an email list, you actually have an asset. See, if you build a following only on social media, that platform could go away, right? Or your account could get banned, who knows? But you could lose out on all those leads and that following. But if you send people, rather than directly to your affiliate link from a blog or from a YouTube video or from a post on Facebook, you could send them to a page that captures that person's email, and then you send them to your affiliate link. Now you're building your email list, and over time you can follow up through emails and you can start to make way more sales. Now I have just one more incredibly powerful traffic strategy I'm going to share with you, but before I get into that last strategy, again, to receive my totally free cheat sheet of my 7 best social media posts that you can swipe and deploy on social media for instant traffic, be sure to just click the link directly below and get access to that while it's still available. Now the last incredibly powerful traffic strategy is using peak seasons for promotion. Now peak seasons are just using specific times of the year almost as a trend you can hop on to get a massive amount of traffic. So if it's New Year's or Christmas time or Halloween or Valentine's Day, if you're a business, you can use this to your advantage, right? You can post certain discounts because of the holidays, or you can tailor a specific advertisement around that time of year and hop on to that trend where everyone's thinking about that holiday, and you can get a massive amount of traffic. Now, some specific affiliate programs, you can actually even negotiate with them to try to get a specific discount that you can offer your audience based on the time of year. Again, maybe like a Christmas or holiday discount or a New Year's Eve discount. Now, the way this allows you more traffic is by offering these incentives and these different discounts or bonuses to your audience. You're gonna have a lot more people take action that maybe wouldn't in the past. This can really be an incredibly effective strategy. So there we have it. These traffic strategies can be your secret weapons to getting floods of clicks to your affiliate links. Remember, it's not just about quantity, but quality. Engage, provide value, and be patient. And soon enough, you'll be reaping the rewards of your hard work. Now, if you found this video valuable, be sure to smash the like button to tell me to make more. Also, be sure to subscribe with the bell icon so you're always notified of my latest videos. And last but not least, be sure to click this video right here to get taken to a playlist with much more affiliate marketing training. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next video.